Hello everyone! Start off by making 2 braids out of the hair and then lift 1 braid upwards, pull it out through the other side. Do the same with the left side braid as well. Now tighten it and then join them together in the center, tie a rubber band to them and then insert the excess pieces of the hair into place. Now use a decorative pin through the top to make it look all the more better. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then roll the hair in on itself. Now take a section from the left and the right side and then pull it through the alternative sides accordingly. Tie a braid at the back and then roll it up through the top. Use a decorative multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 ponytails at the back and then add a rubber band to the middle of each of these sections. Roll each of them in on themselves, then take the left section, pull it out through the right top and then do the same vice versa. Add a decorative multiple prong pin at the top. Now you may do this with different colors. Now gather the hair all together and then use a disco rubber band in order to tie a low ponytail out of it. Make it into a bun onto the last loop. Add a rubber band at the base and then roll the hair up into a bun. Add a decorative multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place into a bun. You may also put it through the side. Next, we will start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself and then tie a low ponytail at the base. Wrap this low ponytail upwards, tie a rubber band at the end of it, fasten it in place using a bobby pin, then take a multiple prong decorative pin and then push it through the side. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Then take the right side section, pull it through the top left side section, and then take the left side section or whatever's remaining, add a rubber band at the end of it, lift it up and fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Add a decorative clip on top of it all. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and then tie 2 low ponytails at the back. Taking the right side ponytail, pull it through the top left side, and then do the same with the left side, however on the right top side. Add 2 decorative pins at the top of it to make it look better. Next, we will start off by gathering the hair together and then tie a low ponytail. In the last loop, make a bun out of it. Add a rubber band at the end of it and then wrap the hair around the bun accordingly. Now, using your fingers, loosen the top. Taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 ponytails, taking the right side ponytail, pull it through the top left side. Taking the top right side of the section, pull the top left side through it. Add a decorative pin at the top of it all. Taking the top section of the hair, tie it up at the back and then roll the hair in on itself. Take 2 sections from either side, tie it up at the back. Once more, roll the section of the hair in on itself as well. Make a braid out of the hair and then roll it upwards. Add a decorative multiple prong pin to fasten it in its place. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 ponytails out of the hair. Take the left side section of the hair and then pull it through the top right side. Take the right side section of the ponytail and then pull it through the top left side section. Use a multi-level clip at the top as such. Next, we will start off by tying a braid out of the hair. Roll this braid upwards, make a bun out of it, and then use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Take the hair and then add a rubber band to it, roll it into a bun, and then twist it, wrap it around, and then use a multiple prong pin to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle section, roll the hair in on itself, and then pull it through the top as such, make a bow out of it. In the middle, add another rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the bun, tighten it, and then taking the excess amount of hair, roll the hair upwards as such. Now use a decorative clip underneath it. Next, take the top section of the hair and then make a braid out of it, and then at the bottom, divide the hair into 2 parts. Wrap the hair around the top and then roll the hair in on itself. Make a braid out of it and then roll it upwards into a bun. Cover it with the rest of the hair and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Then, take a decorative multiple prong pin and then fasten it through the top to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. Thank you for watching.